Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals course. So we've talked a little bit about all these variables. We talked about our rooms and our sounds and everything. So let's actually do a little bit of programming and make our first game here. So let's come back to create, and let's get rid of that num++. If we come over here and add a draw step, say we wanted to draw something, so let's draw ourselves, because if we add a draw, we have to add draw ourselves, otherwise we won't draw. And let's draw some text. So as you can see down here, whenever we start using a function like this, it will give us a little bit of a autocomplete down here at the bottom of what we can actually put into there. So we have XY string. So we wanted to say add 32 string text underscore. So this will draw at position 32 in the room text underscore. Let's give it a try. So up here we have several different options. We have our debug option, we have our play option, our run, we have stop, and we have cleanup. Clean, you don't really need to use it too often unless somehow something got stuck in memory and you want to make sure that it got deleted. But for the time being, we are going to use run. So let's run this, see what happens. So do you see? Hello World is being printed out at the top 32 by 32 in our room. So we actually have a little game here, something that looks really simple right now. We also have the debug option, which when we hit that, will open up the debugger, which we can use to pause the game and allows us to inspect our code and search for errors. And we'll go over that a little bit more next time. So thank you everybody for joining me, and good luck with your programming.